Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the particles quality in Dying Light the Beast, so stay with me and enjoy watching! As the first step we have to open the settings. To do it, press the O button on your keyboard or click here on options. Now get into the video settings and press F or advanced video settings. In here you have to scroll down and find the particles quality. So this option allows you to select the quality of particle effects such as fire, smoke, rain, etc. So you can choose from medium or high, depends of your preferences and how good is your PC. So decide for yourself. That would be all for this video. Hope you liked it. Leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye.